Are you ready to unlock the secrets of Pinterest affiliate marketing that influencers don't want you to know? In the next few minutes, you'll discover step-by-step strategies that could skyrocket your income, all from the comfort of your own home. Don't miss out on these insider tips that could transform your financial future starting today. The first step in creating a compelling Pinterest profile is crafting a powerful bio. Your bio is the first impression people get, so it needs to be clear, engaging, and reflective of what you offer. Think of it as your Pinterest elevator pitch. Use keywords that are relevant to your niche, as they help users find your profile through searches. Remember, you only have 160 characters, so make every word count. Next, let's talk about your profile picture. Choose a high-quality image that clearly represents you or your brand. It could be your logo or a professional headshot. This adds a personal touch and builds trust with your audience, making them more likely to follow you and engage with your content. Now, creating and organizing your boards. Your boards are essentially your storefront, so make sure each one has a clear theme that's relevant to your niche. Use descriptive titles and include targeted keywords to improve visibility. Pinterest is a visual platform, so make sure your board covers and pins are high quality and visually appealing. Speaking of pins, your pin descriptions are crucial. They should be detailed and include keywords to help with Pinterest search algorithms. Don't forget to add a call to action in your pin descriptions to drive traffic to your website or blog. This could be something like, click the link to read more or find out more on the blog. Finally, consistency is key. Make it a habit to pin regularly. Scheduling tools like Tailwind can help you plan and automate your pinning schedule, ensuring that your profile remains active even when you're not online. This keeps your audience engaged and your profile growing. So, which part of your Pinterest profile do you think needs the most work? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Struggling to succeed in affiliate marketing? Get real results with Passive Profits Blueprint, our free video training designed for newcomers. Learn to choose the right product, connect with your audience, and generate income efficiently. Stop wasting time on ineffective strategies. Visit digmarketing101.com and start your journey to financial freedom today. Your success in affiliate marketing is just one click away. Act now. Your profile picture is one of the first things people notice when they visit your profile, so it's absolutely crucial to get this right. Opt for a high-quality image that clearly represents you or your brand. If you're a personal brand, a professional headshot works best. For businesses, a clean, easily recognizable logo is ideal. This visual element builds trust instantly and makes your profile memorable. Next up, let's talk about choosing the perfect username. Your username should be simple, related to your niche, and easy to remember. Avoid using numbers or special characters as they can make your username harder to find and remember. An effective username plants your brand firmly in the minds of your audience. Now, moving on to your bio. This is your opportunity to reflect your personality and brand voice while including essential keywords related to your niche. Remember, you only have a limited number of characters, so make each one count. Be concise but informative, and end with a compelling call to action like, check out my latest blog post, or join me on this exciting journey. So, which element of your profile picture, username, or bio do you think will make the biggest impact in your affiliate marketing strategy? Alright, let's start with setting up your Pinterest boards. The first thing you need to do is organize your boards by categories that are relevant to your niche. This helps your audience find what they're looking for quickly and improves the overall user experience. Think about the main topics you focus on and create boards for each of those topics. If you're a travel blogger, you might have boards like beach destinations, mountain escapes, or city adventures. Once you have your board set up, the next step is to optimize them with relevant keywords and descriptions. This part is crucial for making your content discoverable. Start by giving each board a straightforward, keyword-rich title. Keep it clear and relevant. For example, if your board is about easy weeknight dinners, simply naming it Easy Weeknight Dinners works perfectly. Now, let's talk about board descriptions. This is your chance to tell Pinterest exactly what your board is about. Use your main keywords, but make sure it sounds natural. A great format to follow is starting with a sentence that provides an overview, followed by specific keywords. For instance, this board features a collection of easy weeknight dinners that are perfect for busy families. Find quick and healthy dinner recipes, meal planning tips, and cooking hacks. Also, don't forget to add sections to your boards if it makes sense for your content. Sections help you further organize your pins, making it easier for users to find exactly what they are interested in. For a Christmas recipes board, you might have sections like cookies, main courses, and holiday drinks. Finally, consistently pin relevant content to your board. This keeps them fresh and active, which is key to attracting and retaining followers. Remember to repin other users' content as well. Pinterest is a social platform, and engagement goes both ways. Which part of setting up and optimizing your Pinterest boards do you think will have the biggest impact on your reach? Let me know in the comments.